2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. This is what it sounds like before. We're gonna do a mid-muffler delete on it. I love the color. That's a sick color. Give it gas. Again. Sounds good already. Again. There we go. Sound decibels before. Again. So we'll let you guys hear it after we do the mid-muffler delete on it. Hope you guys like it. We let you guys hear it run. Now this is what it looks like before. Got the stock converters, got factory X pipe, and this is the two we're taking off, the mid mufflers, there and there, and we're leaving the rear resonators, there and there, and we're leaving his stock tips, there and there. So we'll let you guys see it after we cut those off. So here it is after we cut the mid mufflers off. There's the cat still there. X pipe is still there, all 2.5. We put 3-inch instead of 2.5-inch pipe to delete the mid mufflers. Still got the exhaust valve cutouts there and there. And then there's the rear mufflers or resonators, whatever you want to call them. We left everything, so we just did a mid muffler delete on it. I'll let you guys hear it, see how you guys like it. 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392 HEMI. What is it, Timmy? HEMI. Anyways, beautiful car. There's the damn converters that everybody hates, but you know, we gotta keep them on. There's a factory X pipe, and guess what we did? Straight pipe it. Yeah. We cut all those things off. Resonators, mufflers, whatever you want to call them. We cut them all off. The middle ones, we left the valves in for that sport mode and for the transmission. You never want to cut these unless you get it tuned. And then we did a rear muffler delete or rear resonator delete. There they are again. We cut those off too. All 2.5. Came out absolutely beautiful. And there they are. We hate these things. Did I mention that? I forgot. He might bring it back. He got it. He surprised his girlfriend with straight piping it for her. So she had a 5.7 and traded up to a Scat Pack. My kind of girl. The faster, the better. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Sound decibels. 118. Man, that thing screams. It's like they scream, just give me gas. Just give me gas, please. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention one very important thing. It's a freaking wide body. I couldn't see it when it was up on the lift. It's a wide body Dodge Charger. Makes it even better. Go ahead. Oh, scream, baby. It's definitely screaming. Don't you guys agree? Sound decibels? Rev it up to 4. Nice. 117. Go ahead and back it up. And them white wheels. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, that sounds so good. Now the Scat Pack 6.4. Yeah. And it's the wide body too. Really beautiful. Go ahead. Much better. We don't like them quiet here. Dodge Charger wide body, Hellcat, not Hellcat, sorry, Scat Pack. Really nice. That's how they should have made it from the start, the wide body. I like the pink line on it, that's very cool little touch. Emblems are pink, really nice. Hopefully he'll let it scream, he'll open it up.